Menu extensions. We will now look at the steps to create a menu extension and set a menu item reference.
To create menu extension, we will create a new form by selecting the option Add New Item in our model. Set the desired form name and click Add. Add a new data source by selecting the option New Data Source and set the required table in the Properties window. It is always a good practice to set the pattern for our form, using the Apply Pattern option. For demo purposes, we will just add a new grid control. You can add the fields by just drag and drop or by using the field groups of that table. Save the form and rebuild the solution. Next step is to add a display menu item. Set the desired menu item name, and click Add. Set the newly created form as the object in the Properties window. The final step is to get the required menu to be extended. You can get it under the Menus node. Create an extension by right-clicking on your menu, and select the option, Create Extension. A menu extension will get added into your project. Open it, and click New, to add a menu item reference. Select the menu item type, and set the newly created menu item name in Property. Also do rename, and click Save. Search by typing E:, in order to view the extensions added in any element. You can also try the same in our form extensions, to find all the changes made in the extension object.